What's up, gang? Dirk here. Today we are going to talk about replacing solenoids on a Richdel R-204 or P-204. For the purpose of this video, and the solenoid and the diaphragm assembly, if you search P-204 R204, you'll get the same thing. So note on this, Richdel is no longer made. Irritrol bought them in 1996, and they rebranded the replacement parts as P-205. So if you are searching for new products, such as on Amazon, the solenoid, you need to search for P-205. So a little background here, I bought my first home. I was having issues. I was not getting water to some zones. The other issue I was having is I think another zone would not turn off. So what I did was dig up where the manifold was and looked up the product, right? Richdel R-204 or P-204. Search for that on Amazon. They sell two packs. I think they also sell single. I ended up buying four, two packs, and I replaced three on my system, and then I had an extra just in case I need it for the future. So is actually really simple. You don't need a contractor to do this. You're not really going to screw it up unless you ended up breaking a PVC pipe, and even that's pretty easy to repair with YouTube, watching videos on how to do that. So I actually searched on YouTube and found a good video on the installation of both the diaphragm, which is underneath the valve cover here, and then also the solenoid. So search Richdel R-204 in YouTube and look for the video. A lady's wearing blue gloves, and she does a pretty good explanation and showcasing how to do it. I do have a couple tips. I do this on every single project that I do. I take before, during, and after photos. That helps me to refer to something in the future, or if I'm actually during working on the project and I forget something like which wire goes with which wire. I've got the pictures there. You can also give it to the future homeowner if you end up selling the house and save them a lot of angst. Also, make note of the product name, number, so you don't have to go back out and look inside the box or lack of box if you don't have a box. Second tip, when you're screwing in the new solenoid, make sure that it's flat when you're screwing it in, between the two surfaces. That'll keep the O-ring from going askew and you won't have leaks. Um, Third tip is when you are connecting up the wires, both to the controller, you need to make sure that you put it in either there's kind of two options. You can put it into a waterproof wire nut, or you can put it into a silicone tube that's filled with grease. Both of those will keep the connection dry. So I think that's it. I don't have any other tips. Good luck. Have fun.